Hey guys, I'm back again. I've been meaning to make this video for some time. So today we're gonna install a screen protector for this beautiful massive screen on my Model 3 just to protect the screen. I'll be putting a link of the protector in the description below. So this just came in the mail earlier today. It was nicely well packaged, and I went ahead and removed the tape that was on it. It comes with instructions, as you can see, a plastic, call it a suck, but it's basically this. It's part of the installation process: a microfiber clean cloth, alcohol prep pad, and pretty sure dust removal stickers. So everything should be in here. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and follow the instructions and basically install it and show you guys what the end result is. So, it says to compare the screen, wipe the screen, rubbing alcohol, use a cloth to clean it off, any dust particles. And interestingly, you're supposed to use this in the corner and help position it. I haven't seen this method before. But yeah, there's actually a YouTube link already to kind of watch it. I think that should be helpful as well. And yeah, that should get to the finished result. Another thing that I recommend is before you even clean it, depending on the condition of your glass, probably gonna go down with this. So this is just a typical glass cleaner. This should remove any excess oils that are on the glass. Any alcohol wipes can also work, basically do the same thing. So yeah, I'll show you guys the end result. Hey guys, I'm back again. I don't know how clear it is on camera, but here, let me just throw on some lights for you. As you can see, the screen protector is finally on, and I'm just gonna wait for the lighting to adjust. Sorry, I'm just recording with my phone, but as you can see, there are absolutely no bubbles. The installation process was extremely simple as long as you use what is provided in the package. I'm going to exit screen cleaning mode. I think it was super helpful to put in this mode. If you guys aren't familiar with this mode, you just go into your settings at the bottom, your driver settings, hit display, and then go to screen cleaning mode. And what this does is allows you to mess around with the screen. It doesn't change anything, and then you just press and hold to exit for 3 seconds, and you'll be back into your vehicle. So I think this was super worth it. It was about 25 Canadian dollars after shipping. I tried to line it up as best as possible. I think I'm happy with the result. And yeah, for sure, this was probably one of the best ways to protect your investment, considering everything on the car runs on this one screen. So yeah, and in terms of responsiveness, I know many people have been wondering, like, a screen protector kill it? I'm gonna just demonstrate really quickly that everything is responding super quickly. If I go into the games, let's just do 2048. It's a pretty easy game. As you can see, it's very stable. The screen absolutely has zero impact on how it's performing, and yeah, I think this was super worth the money. And I would highly recommend it for the rest of you guys to get this for your Model 3 as well. Thank you.